After the 1987 Philippine Constitution, fresh na fresh din po ito, no? Resources such as forest, mangroves, wildlife, minerals, and other natural wealth are collectively referred to as letter A, public domain, letter B, national heritage, letter C, natural resources, or letter D, private property. What is our choice? Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter C, okay? Natural resources. Ang ating tumpak na choice na fresh item po ito, lumabas po ito nung September at nung November, okay? So natural resources is the right choice. Now, of course, kapag ka sinabi po nating public domain, no? Kapag ka sinabi nating public domain, ito po yung mga assets, land, or intellectual property na pagmamay-ari ng ating state for public use, katulad ng roads at rivers. So, kaya nga hindi po pwedeng nakapark ka dyan sa daan, di ba? Kasi that is for public use. That is part of your public domain, no? As opposed sa ating private property. Kapag ka private property mo, po pwede mong ikadena, di ba? Po pwede kang mag-park dyan, no? Walang sasaway sa'yo. Pero if it's something that is part of the public domain, bawal, no? Ang national heritage naman po natin po pwedeng tangible, nakikita, nahahawakan, or intangible assets that define a nation and are passed down through generations. Okay? National heritage na po yan, no? Ibig sabihin, pinamana mula sa ating mga ninuno na saling lahi, kumbaga.